Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Engineering Nation. So in this video, we will make a flow which will check the availability of vaccine. So let's see how we can do that. So first jump to your office portal and open Power Automate, and here I have created an flow which will continuously checking if vaccine is available in my area or not. So let me give you the overall view how the flow is working. So before jumping to the Power Automate, let's see like from where I am getting the data, like from which API I am using. So for that, just go to Google and just go to CoWIN app, which is the government official app for vaccination. So here we are now in the government portal. So this is the portal which is giving us the details about the vaccination slot available in my area. So let me select the area. So I am just selecting the state that I am in, and let me select the city and search. So once I click on search, it will send an API request and it is giving us the response into the website. So here are all the slots are available. So almost all the slots are available only for 45 plus, nothing is available for 18 plus here, as you can see that. And that is the problem that I have. But as soon as I am getting the 18 plus slot, it is booked. It is booking by everyone. Like even though there isn't slot available, it will be booked in a second. So that is the issue that I am facing, and I have solved that issue with the help of creating a flow, so that you can also solve your issue with creating your flow. So if you can see on the top, you can see an open API option. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will get to know like what kind of APIs you can use to retrieve the data from this website. So this is provided by the government, so that you can use this API. You can create your own app, or you can create your own application, and just you can like identify if the vaccine is available in your area or not, or something like that. You can do it by yourself. That's why the API has been provided to you. So how you can use this API? So there are many different categories of the APIs. Let me check the appointment availability APIs. So here if I can come, there is many different sections again, like find by pin, find by latitude and longitude, and so on. So like I will use the district one, like choose from district. So here in this API, it is asking me some details like district ID I have to provide and date I have to provide. After providing these two details, it will give me the availability of the vaccine in my areas. So now let's use this API. For using the API, we have one tool which is Postman. So with the help of Postman, you can identify what kind of request we are making and what is the response we are getting. So let's test first our API with the help of Postman. So let me click on try it out. Once I click on try it out, it will give me the code. Let me click on execute, and here is the request URL that I have to make so that I will get a response. Let me copy it and let me paste into the Postman. So once I click on the Postman, it is adding two parameters automatically. So I have to provide my own parameter, like suppose my district code is something else, so I have to provide that, and I have to provide the date through which I want to check, and click on send. So once I click on send, it will give me all these details. So today's date is 19, let me change the date, 19 and 05 2021. Now let me hit the request, and I got this value. So in this value, if you can see, there is center ID, there is name, address, state name, district name, block name, and also one thing, you see, minimum age limit. Here is the minimum age limit for 45. So for this center, the minimum age limit is 45, and these are the slots are available, and this is the name of the vaccine, Covishield. So this is how there are multiple number of centers are available and multiple things are there. So with the help of this, we can identify what is going on in our locality. So I will also help you to find out how to get the district ID for your place. So for that, just again go to the CoWIN app or the CoWIN website, and suppose I am searching for Nagpur. So I don't know what is the district code. So now just go to three dots here, and more tools and developer tools. So once you go to developer tools, make sure you are in the network tab, and when you come here, just click on search. So once you click on search, it is same making an API request. So just click on it and you will get to know what is the API request. So here you can see district ID is 365 for Nagpur. See, if you can just hover your mouse and you can see the district is 365. If I can change, let me change to Mumbai, and if I can again hit send, I will again see the new district ID in the network tab. So 365, this one, 395 is for Mumbai. So that's how like we can identify the district ID. So let me again go back to Nagpur and click on send, and I can see 365 is the district ID. And if you want to make sure again, just come to Postman. So I just came here, just hit the send with your district ID, and you can see you will get the district name itself here in the response. So district name is Nagpur, and so yeah, so I am in the correct district code. So that's how you can identify, or you can confirm your district code from here. So I know the district code, I know the date, I know the API. Let's go to the Power Automate and let's do something new. So just come into the Power Automate, click on new, and here you can use scheduled cloud flow because you want to monitor something. So for monitoring it, you need a flow which is automatically running. You don't require any kind of trigger for itself. So just click on scheduled flow and give the flow name anything like vaccine checker, and start date is this one, 19 at 10 a.m. So let me do today, what is the time right now, 5:52 p.m. Okay, so go to the PM section and 55, let me do 6 p.m. and it will run every minute. So you can change your time as per your need. So you can do it. So just check every 1 minute what is the response you're getting. So just click on create, and now the new step will be, what will be the new step here? So we have to what kind of parameter we are passing here in the Postman. If you can see what kind of parameters we are passing, district ID and date. So let's fetch the date from Power Automate itself. So every day the date should be changed. So we have to fetch the date in the real time, because if you hard code the value of date, then again every day you need to change the date by yourself. And to remove this issue, you have to put the date in a dynamic content. So let me get date. So for that we have one function, or we can say one action we have. So just type here current time, and you will get to know this action. Just click on this action, and on the news tab you can just use compose, and in the compose is type of an kind of, if you can say compose is type of variable, just assume compose is type of a variable. So we are saving our current time into this variable and just save. And after saving this one, let's test is what kind of output we are getting. So just test and run the flow. So let me see what I am getting in compose. Okay, this kind of data I am getting in compose. So this format I don't want, because in Cowin they don't require this type of format. They need date and then month and then year. So this type of format only accept in this URL. So I should create this type of format. So how to, but in Power Automate they are giving me this type of format. So I have to change the format. For changing the format, click on edit and just remove this one and just go to the expressions. We have lot of expressions here, so we can convert our time as per our need. So in the expression side, you have to just click on it and just type format, and just here you have to provide timestamp and the type of format, what type of format you want. So timestamp is here. So just click on dynamic content, click here. So this is my timestamp. Now click on comma, and now we have to provide the format. So what type of format I want? So now I want a format called DD and then MM and then YYY, 4Y, and just hit OK. So once you hit OK, it will automatically format your date with respect to what type of COVID app want. So let me click on now test again, manual, save test, run flow, and done. So now recurrence is there, no need to see. Compose, let's see. Okay, now we are getting the date as I want. Now again click on edit. Now my next step is to send an HTTP request. So let me send an HTTP request, and the method will be get here. So what will be the URI? So URI, as you know, let's go to the Postman, copy this complete URI, paste it here. And now we want a dynamic content to the date. So just remove the date, the hard code value, okay, and just add the output from the compose. So you have to just add the output from the compose. District ID will be also hard coded, or you can also provide district ID by yourself. If you want to change the district ID every time, then you can do that. But right now I don't want to do that, so let it be 365. So now I have done this part to the HTTP part. Now whatever response I am getting, I have to capture that response. So for that you need to add an again new action called parse JSON. So just click on, just type parse JSON here, and the content, what type of content it should provide. So the content is from body, like the body of the HTTP, whatever I am getting in the HTTP body, I want to provide into the parse JSON. And the schema, you have to also provide the schema, what type of value, what is the schema of the value, like what is the schema of the type of response you are getting. So for schema, you have to provide generate from sample, and just come to your Postman, copy this part, again go back to your Power Automate and click on it, and done. Click on done. So it will automatically create the schema for you. Whatever the details it's coming from the response, it will automatically create a schema automatically for you. Now, so I have done this part, so let me do that in the paint section. So whatever I am doing, so this is, suppose this is Covin, this is a Covin server, and here is my Power Automate, here is my Power Automate PA. So now I am sending the request to Covin app that I need the information about the vaccine, so please provide me the information. So Covin app is giving you the whole data. The data is this one, the whole data. Covin app is providing you the whole data. Now you have to manipulate your data into the Power app or Power Automate, and then you have to check if vaccine is available for you or not, if vaccine minimum age is 18 or not. So something like that you have to calculate here, and you have to send the notification to yourself. Now just come to the Power Automate again, and here I have just, let me test it. Let me test here, and let me see what type of variables or what type of values I am getting. Click on done. So recurrence done, current time, I'm getting the current time, I am changing the current time to the specific format, I am sending the request, and here I am getting the body. See, this is the body that I am getting in the Postman itself, or here as well. Now I am doing the parse JSON, and it is giving me the body in a perfect manner that I want. Now I can use this type of information in anywhere else. In the next step I will show you how. So now click on new step. I want to check if vaccine is available or not, and if it available, it is available for 18 plus or not, that I want to check. So for that I need to add the condition. So add the condition here and choose the value. So what value I need to first check, if its vaccine is available or not. So here I am getting the dynamic content, or else you can see into the Postman itself what is the dynamic content you can use, what are the variable which is giving you the information about if vaccine is available for you or not. So here come here, and the available capacity is the thing you want to check. Like if the available capacity is 0, that means vaccine is not available. And let me see anywhere else, the next available capacity is also 0 here. Let me copy this and let me paste here. Oh my god, Nagpur doesn't have any kind of available capacity. I think there is no capacity available in Nagpur. Sorry 18 plus, you will not get vaccinated soon. Yeah, every slot is booked. available capacity is 0. Let me check, cross verify here as well. Yeah, see, nothing is available. The situation is something like that no vaccination is available for anyone right now. Everything is booked, and 18 plus, God bless you, there is no slot for you as well. So yeah, so you can see there is no slot available. That's why we are seeing 0 for everywhere. So now let me choose the available capacity, and if available capacity is greater than 0, so it's greater than 0, then only proceed ahead, otherwise don't proceed. And again I want to also check if it 18 plus or not, because I am not 45 plus, to be honest. So that's why I want to check 18 plus, if 18 plus vaccination is available or not for me. So here just add another row, and the condition should be AND. So what is the gate logic for AND? So if you can see the gate logic, if both are true, then only your data will be true, then only it is true, the entire thing is true. If anything one is also like false, then the entire result is false. So that's what I want. I want if this is also available and 18 plus is also available, then proceed ahead, otherwise do not proceed. So the minimum age should be 18, then only proceed ahead. So what is the output for minimum age? Let me again go to the Postman. Let me see minimum age limit. Yeah, so here first of all the minimum age limit is 45, and for 18 plus the value is here 18. So if minimum age is limit is 18, then the value is here 18. If minimum age limit is 45, then the value here is 45. It's not 45 plus, or it's not something else, it's 45 or it's 18. I have cross verified it with the new districts, or the where the 18 plus is available. So either the value should be 18 or 45. So if you are 18 plus or something else, the value will come here as an 18. So minimum age is 18 for me. So let me do that. Minimum age is equals to 18. Fine. And so what happened? So let's check the condition. If vaccine is available for me or not? Yes, it's available for you. Minimum age is 18 or not? Yes, it's 18. Okay, then I am going to the yes part. Vaccine is available for me? Yes, it's available. Minimum age is 18? No, it's not 18. Okay, do not proceed it. It's false. So that's the logic behind of the condition. Now if this is yes, what you want to do? I want to send an email to myself. Let me send an email to myself to my email ID. I will send an email to myself, and the subject will be vaccine available now, and I will also provide some more information in the body, like the center name, address, vaccine number, available capacity, age limit, and the link to just directly go to the page so that I can book it. So now let me run the flow. So let me do the test and manually test it, run the flow. So once I run the flow, whatever is doing, it's doing the recurrence, like every minute the flow is running, then it's fetching the current time. This is the current time, it's fetching in this format. I have changed the format with the help of expressions, and then I'm sending the HTTP request, and after sending the HTTP request I am getting the data, and with that data I am comparing if the condition is true or false. If it's false, don't do anything. If it's true, send me an mail. So this is how the flow is for vaccine checker. Hope it will help you to find your vaccination point and you will get vaccinated soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you.